Today I'm going to show you my technique for doing a type of belled seam. This is what it looks like when you're done. It looks like a full belled seam you'd see on like a pair of denims. This is the right side of the fabric of the exterior. This is the inside of the garment. How you start off with this particular one is you need your 2 pieces of garment fabric. Then you need an extra piece of fabric. Double your seam allowance plus double however wide you want this. I want this a 1/2 inch. Seam allowance is 5/8. So that would be 1.25 inches. So I made this 2.5 inches. This is the wrong side. Wrong sides. You take 1 piece of fabric, the right side, and the right side of the strip of fabric, put it on here. Line up the raw edges. Then I mark the center line. I'm going to sew that. Then I'm going to take it to the ironing. I'm going to fold it over that way. And I'm going to take it to the ironing board and press the seam really quick. Now you put right sides together like you're making a regular garment. Line up the raw edges and do a 5/8 inch seam on this particular test. Then you end up with a seam that looks like this. That's the back. Now I'm going to press the back part here over toward the seam allowance. I'm going to press that. And now I'm going to top stitch the strip here. That's the back. I came up with this technique or this method when I was making some cargo shorts. I really wasn't happy with the traditional flat fell that I was coming up with of overlapping, trimming, and folding over. And it didn't really look like a flat felled when I finished. So I came up with this method. And that's what you have finished. Looks like a factory felled, flat felled. That's the garment side, exterior. This is the interior. And it's going through 8 layers of fabric. So if you're using really thick fabric, you have to be careful if you're going to be doing cross seams with it. I don't really know what to call it. It's just a type of felled seam, flat felled. And a felled seam is any seam where you've folded it over or felled it and then sewn on top of it. That's a felled seam. And there's full felled, half felled, double felled, a machine felled, felling foot, lots of variations of it. This is my variation for when I do like cargo shorts, or if I'm going to do a pair of jeans or pants that looks like jeans.